In a vibrant coral reef, where colors danced and life flourished, lived a tiny guppy named Glimmer. Known for her radiant iridescence, Glimmer was a beacon of hope among the ocean's dark corners. One day, a fearsome barracuda made its way through the reef, creating chaos and terror. Glimmer, who had always been a peaceful creature, found herself in its path. The barracuda, with its sharp teeth and menacing gaze, approached her. Glimmer, however, was not one to back down. She stood her ground, her tiny heart pounding in her chest. She knew she had to make a choice, to hide and face the possibility of a life of fear, or to stand her ground and risk everything. Glimmer, with courage in her eyes, decided to take a leap. She swam towards the barracuda, her movements graceful and determined. The other fish watched in awe, their eyes wide with disbelief. The barracuda, taken aback, hesitated. It was not every day it encountered a creature as bold as Glimmer. Seeing its surprise, Glimmer took advantage of the moment and darted past it, disappearing into the safety of the coral. The other fish, who had been paralyzed by fear, now watched with newfound admiration. Glimmer, though small, had shown them that courage was not about size, but about standing up against fear. From that day forward, Glimmer was no longer just a pretty guppy. She was a symbol of courage, a reminder that even the smallest of creatures could make the biggest impact. The reef, once a place of fear, became a beacon of hope, all because of one tiny guppy's leap of courage. The moral of the story: courage is not the absence of fear, but the decision to move forward despite it.